Hi everyone, I'd like to give you a short introduction into the Hungry Wolf dashboard that we created. And one of the main reasons we created this is because the feedback we're getting for the people who have used the Hungry Wolf strategy is that it is very good, just that sometimes it is very hard to monitor all the different currency pairs, all the different asset classes, and look for the ideal entry. And you have to wait not only for the ideal entry, but also have to monitor the higher time frame to ensure that it lines up well with the Hungry Wolf strategy. Now, this can be quite a tedious process, across a couple of the majors. But if you're going to do it across, every single currency pair, every single asset class, it can be even more tiring. So what we've developed here is a solution to that. So this is just an example on a couple of the currency pairs. You can load everything from indices to commodities to metals to cryptocurrencies, right? So in this example, on the left row, you can see this is the currency pairs. Higher time frame basically refers to long profit. So what you're looking for ideally is a case where long profit says you're bullish. For dollar CAD says it's bullish. Current time frame says it's bullish. The quality is good. We have an inbuilt quality filter that detects how good an entry is. The count, we usually trade the first and second in sequence. Pips profit. This shows that we are 28.4 pips in profit. The score is 6, means that everything is lining up really well. This is a very good trade. Is this a valid entry? Currently, it is no. The reason it is no is because price has moved in our favor a bit too far for it to be a good entry. What we're looking for is if price hasn't moved too far yet, then the entry would still be good and we can trade directly from the dashboard, right? So just to use this as example, we can directly adjust our risk from the dashboard. So we can start with 1%, 2%, and every time you adjust the risk based on the percentage of your account, you can see the lot size is automatically adjusted. All right, the stop loss and take profit uses the 1.2 times ATR and 2.4 times ATR as recommended. We can tweak that as you wish, but that is the recommended standard settings. And if you like it, you can click trade and the trade will be executed straight away and managed through the dashboard, right? So if you feel like, all right, this dollar CAD trade looks interesting, what happened there, right? The moment you click view, it will pull up the chart of dollar CAD and you'll be able to see, okay, there was a crossover here and I assume this was the first entry, right? We have created an indicator that shows you where the first count happened and if it was a good quality trade, right? So that would refresh when price moves by one tick. So there you go. So it's moved by one tick. So there you go. You can see that this was where the first Hungry Wolf signal was generated. Since then, price has already actually shot up and then started to retrace a bit. Okay, so this the gray area you're seeing here is actually an inbuilt quality filter we have to see whether the trade has since the cross of the moving average, price has not moved too much and too far for us to get a good signal. So this is actually a pretty good signal, and price is in the positive currently. All right. So that is an example of the Hungry Wolf pulling out trades for you. And I think another good example is dollar yen, where long profit is bullish, current time frame is bullish, quality is good, we are on the first in sequence, and it's a valid entry. So the moment you click view, you will notice that there you go. This was where our first entry is. This is where price currently is. So it's very close to where entry would have occurred, assuming this profit target would not have been reached yet. So the profit target would likely be all the way up here actually. So this would have been this is a valid entry right now. So since this is a valid entry, what we can do is we can take the trade. So if we want to take the trade, what we can do is we can come here, see dollar yen, we want to risk 1%, maybe you want to risk 3% of our account on this because it looks like a pretty good trade, and we click trade. What happens is that you can see the trade is executed here. Stop loss, take profit, lot sizes, all placed straight in. All right, and we're gonna let the trade work itself out. But that is the gist of it. For the Hungry Wolf dashboard, it helps you automatically be able to monitor every single currency pair, every single asset class. It even has Bitcoin over here. It has gold, it has silver, it has everything you need to monitor the Hungry Wolf strategies. It tells you what you see on the long profit, what you're gonna see on the current time frame. Whether it's the first or second or third in sequence, how many pips in profit is it already at, and what is the overall quality. Anything from 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6 is good. The reason why you see like Cat Frank has a quality of 6 but is red is because it is a short trade. It is not a long trade, right? So if you view this, you can already see it's in profit. So Cat Frank, there you go. This was the Hungry Wolf signal, and price has shot down from there, and it's already in profit. So this is another example of the Hungry Wolf signal working itself out really well. Our high time frame long profit says is in a sell zone. Just to show you this is true, we go to a long profit trader, and you can see that it is indeed in the sell zone, right? It is below the Bollinger Band. It is in the envelope, so this is in the sell zone. So the Hungry Wolf dashboard is very accurate in being able to determine the higher time frame and the current time frame. All right, guys, so that's it for me now. This is just a really quick introduction to how the Hungry Wolf dashboard looks like, and I hope to see more people using it, so more people will be contributing to calling out really good opportunities together, and hopefully we can all get onto those good trading opportunities together and make some good money together. Yeah, guys, so that's it for me. Cheers and peace out.